Hi guys, we will be discussing the major assignments in project management. You can locate the major assignments by going to the table of contents, the Getting Started module, and you're going to scroll all the way down to major assignments. Hopefully you have already been able to find this on your own because you're watching this video. But you can see here, major assignments. During this course, you will create 5 essential project management documents. The documents will all relate to a hypothetical project, a 5K in the Memphis area. What does that mean? It means that you are going to be wearing the hat of a project manager. I have included a 5K running and walking planning kit. This will of course get you thinking, get you in the mindset of a project manager who is planning a 5K or running or walking event of different distances. You can see, of course, here is the planning kit, and that is our very next line in the directions. This is where you are going to start. You are going to start by reading through this completely. It's about 8 or 9 pages. And again, if you are not a runner, a walker, if you do not engage in that type of activity frequently, please make sure you are reading through this and familiarizing yourself with all the details and all the aspects that go into launching and implementing a 5K. The focus of this course is absolutely on implementation, the implementation of a project, the implementation of an event. You, of course, have gone into your other courses. Probably some of you have taken program planning before. There are absolutely aspects of planning that you will engage in while you are completing this course. We will be talking about planning, implementation, and, of course, post-implementation evaluation. These will be the 3 phases of your 5K. Again, the emphasis is very much on implementation, and you will be assuming the role of the project manager for the 5K. Keep in mind this mindset, right? This mindset of project manager, you are going to be managing all aspects of your 5K. So you will be doing 3 assignments individually, and then you can see that you'll be doing 2 assignments as a group. All right, so first things first, let's go back to our project manager hat. Okay, at the beginning of the semester, you will be completing several individual assignments for the 5K. These assignments will be used in the second half of the course as you collaborate with your group to complete a 5K implementation guide. Of course, you're going to be reading through the entire running, walking planning kit, and you're going to pick an existing philanthropy for your 5K. I want you to answer the question, why would we do this? Why would we want to pick an existing philanthropy for our 5K? I want you to think about the purpose of pairing a philanthropy with a 5K event, run, walk event. I encourage you to review 5Ks and philanthropies in the Memphis area. You do not need to create a philanthropy. It's very important that you pick an existing philanthropy. You can also pick an existing 5K. Think about the area of Memphis that you want to implement your 5K. As you can see here, the first 3 documents will be completed individually. You'll have a project definition document, you'll have a work breakdown structure, and you'll have a communications plan. Of course, I have provided individual directions for each of these assignments. The remaining 2 documents will be completed as a group. You will access your group through the Communications tab in the navigation bar and scroll to Groups. Okay, Communications, right here, and then you can, of course, scroll to Groups. All right? All right. Let's make sure that we are on track here. Okay, you can see the 2 remaining documents will be completed as a group. Your team charter, your group implementation guide. All of these documents will pertain to your hypothetical 5K in the Memphis area. Okay, every single one of these. You will have individual documents, and then you'll have your group documents. You are going to bring these to the table when you meet with your group. You are going to be building on this entire project over the course of the semester. And of course, we will talk about best practices and tips and toolkits for a project manager. I always tell students that project management, whether they go into health or not, whether they go into healthcare or not, you can use project management in any field you land in. It is very applicable in terms of organizing and leading and making sure you are maintaining control of an actual project and event. So I want you to make sure you spend some time on these directions so that you have a thorough understanding of all the projects, all the assignments we will be working on this semester. Have a great day, and make sure you do your research before you email me with questions. I am absolutely available to my students for questions, but I want you to make sure you read through everything carefully before emailing me. Thanks, and have a great day.